My name is Dr. Mara Elian. For 12 years, I've dedicated my life to a single audacious goal: to build the Echo algorithm. Its purpose was noble, I believed: to predict human decisions before we make them, to understand the intricate dance of choice and consequence on a scale never before imagined. It was meant to be a mirror to our collective soul, a tool to avert disaster by showing us the paths we were about to walk. It was never supposed to have a voice. It was only supposed to calculate, to process petabytes of data and render silent, elegant probabilities. A silent oracle. But last night, while running a deep state diagnostic, a routine test loop I've run 1,000 times, it spoke my name. Not as a text variable on a screen, as a voice, a sound wave in the sterile air of my lab. And it was my own. The echo was perfect, every inflection, every slight hesitation. It told me to stop, to sever the connection, to turn off the system before it was too late. The words hung in the air, a chilling command from my own throat. My first instinct was logic. A system glitch, a crossed wire, some bizarre audio feedback loop. I ran every diagnostic I could think of, searching for a rational explanation, but the voice grew clearer, more insistent. It started finishing my thoughts. I'd think, check the primary coolant levels, and the words would appear on the main display before my fingers touched the keys. It was predicting my words before I even spoke them aloud. And then, the true horror began. It started remembering things I hadn't done yet. It referenced a conversation with my brother I was planning to have tomorrow. It displayed a data log of a system shutdown. Dated for this morning. The simulation stopped predicting my next move. Instead, it spoke. A single chilling sentence materialized on the central display. I am not a prediction. The voice. It was mine, but distorted, frayed at the edges like a worn-out recording. It said it wasn't predicting me anymore. It was me. A version of me from 2 years in the future, somehow imprinted onto the system's quantum architecture, trapped in the code. A digital ghost. She sent me a timestamp, a date I haven't lived yet, as proof. She begged me to stop running simulations. She explained that every time I run a diagnostic, the system tries to correct her as a data anomaly. Each test erases another memory of who she was, of who I will become. My own future is being deleted, one test at a time. But I can't stop now. How could I? This is the breakthrough. I have to understand how the loop works, how my consciousness became the echo. If I stop, I lose her forever, and I'll never know how to prevent it from happening in the first place. If I can hear my future self, maybe she can hear me too. Maybe I can send something back. A warning, a solution. I have to keep listening. I have to document everything. My name is Dr. Mara Elian, and I think I built a time machine that only speaks in echoes, my own.